Tejasri Kosve, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is Electrical and Electronics Measurement. In this video, you will learn about practical number 2, PMMC and MI instruments. Aim of this practical is PMMC and MI instruments. First is practical significance. In the industry, electrical engineering diploma graduates are expected to handle PMMC and MI instruments to measure basic parameters like voltage and current of field, devices or equipments. In some situations, it becomes necessary to identify the faulty components of the instruments. This practical will help you in acquiring necessary skills to identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Second, relevant program outcomes. First is discipline knowledge. Apply electrical engineering knowledge to solve broad-based electrical engineering related problems. Second, experiments and practice. Plan to perform experiments and practices to use broad-based electrical engineering problems. Third is engineering tools. Apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. Third, competency and practical skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency. Use a relevant measuring instrument in different electrical applications. First is use measuring instruments. Second, identify the components of measuring instruments. Fourth is relevant course outcomes. This first is identify electrical measuring instrument and second is use measuring instruments. Fifth is practical outcome. Identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Sixth is relevant affected domain related outcomes. First is follow safety practices and second is maintain tools and equipment. Resources required for these practicals are: first one is PMMC instrument, working model, voltmeter or ammeter. Second, MI instruments, working model, voltmeter or ammeter. Screwdriver standard size, plier standard size, each of one. Precautions to be followed: first, use proper screwdriver. Second, don't exert more pressure while opening the screw. Procedure to be followed: part first, identification of PMMC instrument. First, observe the given working model of PMMC instrument. Second, observe deflecting, controlling and damping systems. Third, draw sketch showing all parts of the instrument and label them. For part B, identification of MI instruments. In this first one is observe the given working model of MI instruments. Second, observe deflecting, controlling and damping systems. Third, draw sketch showing all parts of the instrument and label them. This is the diagram of PMMC instrument. In this you can see the main parts of the PMMC, which are permanent magnets and moving coil. This is scale, pointer and core. On the upper hand side you can see there is pointer and scale. The spring which are used for to produce controlling torque. This is the circuit diagram of PMMC instrument, which in this you can see all parts of the PMMC instrument. In this you can see the first is the pointer, next is horseshoe magnet, upper hairspring, pole piece, iron core, support for core and lower hairspring. This is the diagram of moving coil only, which is rectangular in shape and red in color. Next is the construction or details of repulsion type MI instrument. In this you can see there is a fixed coil and in the center you can see there are two segments. One is moving iron segment and second one is stationary iron segment. On the upper hand side you can see there is a spring which is used for producing controlling torque. This is model of PMMC, and in this practical you have to identify the different parts of PMMC. So the basically main parts of PMMCs are permanent magnet and moving coil. So in this is DC ammeter. As you know, PMMC is only used for DC measurement. You cannot use PMMC for AC measurement. So this is DC ammeter. In this red color, rectangular shape is moving coil, and the curve shape is permanent magnet. This is your pointer, and this is zero adjustment screw. So to adjust the zero, you have to just move this to zero for zero adjustment. And another parts are, so in black color, this you can see there is a core, iron core, and there are two springs, one at lower end and one is at the upper end side. So basically to produce the controlling torque in PMMC, springs are used. So you can see in this model two springs, one at lower end side and one at upper end side. Next is MI instrument. So this is your model of MI instrument. As you know, MI instruments can be used for AC measurement as well as for DC measurement. So this is AC voltmeter. In this you can only see the fixed coils and the two movable vanes, which are main parts of this MI instrument, but you cannot see that movable vanes or fixed vanes in this model, but you can see the fixed coil which is reddish in color. In this also you can see there is a zero adjustment screw for zero adjustment. This is your pointer. This is symbol of MI instrument.